AirPods 2 release date and news. Apple AirPods 2 release date and price. When are they out? The latest predictions indicate an early 2019 release. How much will they cost? That's TBD, but if analysts are right, expect them to be similar to the existing AirPods at $159, £159, $229 Australian. We have every reason to believe that AirPods 2 are coming in 2019, but without any official confirmation from the powers that be, that's just an educated guess. That said, there are analysts who have been overseas to Apple's fabrication facilities and have said that Apple is just about ready to produce units but couldn't provide an exact date for that to happen. The best guess we have right now, based on a report from a Barclays analyst, is a late 2019 launch. Very likely that means we'll see them at Apple's 2019 WWDC event in June, Apple's September 2019 iPhone event, or, at the very least, at the October 2019 iPad launch event that closes out Apple's events for the year. Better wireless connectivity. The anonymous sources that spoke to Bloomberg claimed that both the 2018 and 2019 updates are going to have better Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity thanks to the inclusion of the W2 chip used in the Apple Watch 3. This is an upgrade on the W1 chip that currently handles the AirPod wireless connectivity. Siri. By the sounds of things, the Apple AirPods arriving in 2018, AirPods 1.5, are going to feature built-in voice activation, meaning you'll be able to access Apple's voice assistant by just uttering "Hey Siri." We haven't caught wind of when, exactly, that feature will go live, but chances are good it will be available alongside the new wireless charging case in September or October of 2018. AirPods 2 as an over-ear pair of headphones? This one's a long shot, but there has been a number of rumors going around that the AirPods 2 might be a pair of over-ear, noise-canceling headphones. It seems unlikely based off all the patents floating around of the integrated fitness tracker, but it's always possible that Apple will better leverage its Beats brand in 2019.
Like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications our next videos.